Welcome back to Marksman Choice, the channel where we break down the world's most advanced firearms and military technology. Today, we're taking a deep, professional look at one of the most talked about rifles of the modern era, the SIG MCX Spear, also known as the XM7. This is not just another rifle. This is the future of the American infantry weapon system. The SIG MCX Spear was developed as part of the U.S. Army's Next Generation Squad Weapon Program. Its mission was simple but ambitious: replace the aging M4 and M249 platforms with something more powerful, more accurate, and more lethal at longer ranges. And what SIG Sauer delivered was nothing short of revolutionary. At first glance, the XM7 looks like a heavier, more aggressive evolution of the AR platform. And that's exactly what it is. Built around a robust, monolithic upper receiver, the MCX Spear is engineered to handle the extreme pressure of the new 6.8 by 51 millimeter hybrid cartridge. This round delivers significantly higher velocity and armor penetration capability compared to the traditional 5.56 NATO. From the right side view, you immediately notice the clean, modern profile. The fully ambidextrous controls, sleek handguard, and low-profile gas system give the rifle a futuristic yet functional appearance. Every line, every angle, and every component has a purpose: durability, reliability, and battlefield efficiency. Move to the left side view, and you'll see the heart of the MCX system. Unlike traditional AR-15 rifles, the MCX Spear uses a short-stroke gas piston system instead of direct impingement. This keeps the action cleaner, cooler, and more reliable in harsh environments, whether it's desert sand, Arctic cold, or heavy combat conditions. The rifle also features a fully free-floating M-LOK handguard, giving operators maximum flexibility for mounting optics, lasers, grips, and tactical accessories. The continuous top rail allows seamless integration with advanced optics and fire control systems. Now, from the rear view, the adjustable folding stock becomes the star of the show. This stock isn't just about comfort, it's about adaptability. Length of pull and cheek height can be adjusted for different body types, armor setups, and shooting positions. It can even fold to the side, making the rifle more compact for vehicle operations in close quarters combat. From the backside profile, you can truly appreciate the weapon's balance and ergonomics. Despite firing a much more powerful cartridge, the MCX Spear is engineered to manage recoil efficiently. The muzzle device, internal buffer system, and overall mass distribution work together to keep the rifle controllable during rapid fire. But the XM7 isn't just about power, it's about precision. This rifle is designed to engage targets at distances far beyond what standard infantry rifles were built for. Combined with modern optics and fire control systems, it gives soldiers the ability to identify, track, and neutralize threats at extended ranges with deadly accuracy. And let's talk about build quality. Every surface, every component, and every material choice reflects military-grade engineering. From reinforced bolt components to heat-resistant barrels and high-strength alloys, this rifle is built for sustained combat use under extreme stress. The SIG MCX Spear represents a major shift in infantry warfare. It signals the return of a heavier-hitting rifle that prioritizes penetration, range, and stopping power over lightweight convenience. In a battlefield where body armor is becoming more common, this rifle was designed to bring back overmatch superiority. In simple words, this is not just a weapon upgrade, it's a doctrine change. The XM7 shows us where modern warfare is headed, towards smarter, stronger, and more technologically integrated weapons. It blends traditional rifle reliability with next-generation materials, ballistics, and ergonomics. And whether you see it as the future of infantry combat or a controversial leap forward, one thing is undeniable: the SIG MCX Spear is one of the most important rifles of this decade. If you enjoyed this deep dive breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more elite weapon reviews here on Marksman Choice. Because here, we don't just show weapons. We decode their power, their purpose, and their place in history. See you in the next one.